In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize tasks with lists in Slack. We'll walk through opening Slack, finding the right channel, opening your list, and setting a clear priority on the task you care about. This is great for keeping your team aligned and making sure the most important work gets done first. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Slack and press Enter. In the results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. This takes you to your workspace so you can get to your lists. If you typically use the desktop app, the process will look the same once you're in Slack. Once Slack is open, navigate to the channel where your lists are located. Lists in Slack live inside channels, so think about where your project or team organizes tasks. If you're not already in that space, switch to the correct channel now so you can access the list you need. Inside the channel, click on your list to open it. This brings the list into focus so you can see all the tasks and fields clearly. You'll usually see columns like title, assignee, due date, and priority. Opening the list ensures you're editing the right place and that your changes are visible to everyone who uses it. Next, choose the task you want to prioritize. Click the task row to highlight it, or open its details view, depending on how your list is set up. It's helpful to pick the task that's most time-sensitive or most impactful, so your priority setting actually reflects the work you want to surface. Now, locate the priority section. This is typically a field or column labeled Priority within the list or the task details. It might appear as a drop-down, tag, or a property you can edit. If you don't see it immediately, scroll horizontally in the list or check the Task Details panel where fields are grouped. When you've found the priority section, choose the priority level. Slack lists commonly offer low, medium, or high. As a quick guideline, use high for urgent or high-impact tasks that unblock others or relate to deadlines, medium for important work that isn't immediately urgent, and low for nice-to-have tasks or future improvements. Pick the level that matches how soon the task needs attention. That's it. Your update is saved to the list, and your teammates will see the new priority. Consistency helps, so consider aligning on what low, medium, and high mean for your team. You can also sort or filter by priority in the list view to bring high items to the top and keep everyone focused. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to prioritize tasks with lists in Slack.